our 380 square foot apartment in Brooklyn, New York. I would describe my style as nostalgic and whimsical. I love objects that have a story to them. So anything that comes from a friend or comes associated with a memory. This is our living room. We have our meals here. We like to sit in our little nook and read. Love to play games when we have friends over. And this is also my primary workspace. This shelf right here is my first foray into woodworking. I've always really loved the look of old P.O. box stores. This reminds me of that rush that you get when you know you've received a letter or a postcard in the mail. So this one is in Spanish, and it's a recipe for a pisco sour cocktail, which is special to us because it reminds us of the time that we lived in Peru. This right here is our bedroom. This is where we sleep, and also where our baby sleeps now. I really love to make things with my hands. The bench in our living room, the storage bed in our bedroom, all the shelves in our bedroom as well, the ladder to reach our little tiny library shelf, which I already also put in. In terms of woodworking, that's all I can think of, but I also love to paint and I love to sew, and I really should have lived in a different era altogether because none of these things are technology related. So yeah, I just love to craft things and make things. I think things that have a story to them, it just makes them so much more interesting. And a lot of times because maybe there's only one of those things, or you don't know how many of those things exist anymore. And just the idea of treasuring something for a long time, and the fact that it has survived for a long time and is still around is just really cool in and of itself. I guess there's something kind of romantic about it to me.